Everyday use or destination carry. These are the best ultralight packable backpacks that you can buy right now. Starting with the Matador ReFraction. Packable, flexible, and sustainable. This 16-liter backpack is a great option for all of my outdoorsy people who also want to look cool and stylish while exploring a new city. Built with 100D recycled nylon and materials that meet Blue Sign criteria, this ultralight 0.5-pound backpack features some high-end YKK water-resistant zippers, along with a PFC-free DWR coating to give the bag a nice waterproofing against light precipitation. There's a stretch zipper pocket in the front, water bottle pockets on each side of the bag, a top quick access pocket, and a large main pocket. You won't find any padding on the back panel, and the shoulder straps are a little thin, but the bag is surprisingly pretty comfortable to carry, and there is even a sternum strap. Best of all, the backpack actually packs into itself so that it can easily be taken along in another bag to use when you arrive at your destination. It's a pretty impressive feature set for a bag that is only going to run you $60 US. So as you can tell, this bag is pretty unstructured, so you aren't going to be able to carry any heavy electronics in here. I would definitely not bring a laptop in this bag. This is mostly just going to be used for kind of your everyday carry essentials when you're out on a vacation. So you bring this bag along, pack it in your main suitcase, and this is one of the best features of this bag is that it so easily just packs into itself, basically taking up no space in your other bag that you would be bringing along with you. But yeah, once you get to your destination, you kind of just pull this out of its zipper pouch and you can create just a nice little day bag for things like a jacket, an umbrella. You can throw a camera in there, a small video game device, but nothing too heavy. As I said, unstructured, but just a nice little extra that you can take along with you. Next up is the Tortuga Daypack Pro. Light, comfortable, and built to last. This 21-liter backpack is a great option for someone who wants the flexibility of using this bag at their destination, but also for everyday use, because this bag is full of high-end features. Built with Shell 70 RS, which is Tortuga's advanced 3-layer sailcloth material, originally developed for the sails of racing boats, so it's pretty much like an X-Pack material. This 1-pound waterproof backpack comes with YKK zippers and Woojin buckles. There's a top quick access pocket with a key leash, a large main pocket with a padded and suspended laptop sleeve, both of these compartments are also going to feature lockable zippers. There's water bottle pockets on each side of the bag. And the bag features a nicely padded back panel, along with padded straps and an adjustable sternum strap. This high-end ultralight packable bag is going to run you $125 US. So this bag just has some really great features that you won't find on other packable bags. This back panel is really nicely padded along with these shoulder straps. I mean, you can get away with using this bag as just your everyday bag. It's super light at 1 pound, but like I said, it's really heavy duty with that shell material, which is almost just like the same as X-Pack. It's a sailcloth material. So really, really heavy duty, but you can also, you know, flatten it down pretty nicely too if you want to put in a bag or in a roller luggage so that you can use it when you get to your destination. And then also if you're worried about, you know, anyone taking things out of your bag, these zippers are lockable, which is super nice too. Just a really great feature set. And this is definitely a bag worth investing in. Lastly, we have the Aer Go Pack 2. Stylish, sleek, and premium. This 20-liter backpack is a great option for all of my city dwellers out there looking for a lightweight everyday carry bag that's going to last. Built with 210D Cordura crinkle nylon, this lightweight 1.3-pound backpack features YKK zippers, Hypalon pulls, and Duraflex plastic hardware. There's an easy access front sleeve with a magnetic fastener, a quick access zipper top pocket, a large main pocket with some internal organization, as well as a suspended laptop sleeve, a water bottle pocket on both sides of the bag, a padded back panel with a luggage pass-through, and nicely padded shoulder straps. This stylish lightweight backpack will run you $99 US. I just love the style and the design of Aer bags. And this backpack just fits with all of the others in their lineup. It has its own unique style, this Go series, but it does have all of the high-end features that you know and you love from Aer products. Yeah, just a really nice packable bag. It does scrunch up pretty well too if you wanna, you know, scrunch up in your bag like this, but it also packs flat really, really well. Just an all-around great bag, and for $99, it's a really, really good deal. So that's gonna do it for this week's video. Be sure to leave a comment below if you wanna chat a little bit more about any of these bags, or if you have any other suggestions that you think would be good for this list. Also, if you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe and give this video a like. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what's on my turntable this week.